Hi, this is Peggy with HomeSmart, and I am at today's open house. This is a cul-de-sac home with a golf course view. This is the large rear patio area and backyard. There is the golf course. Beautiful day today here in Sun City West, so if you're looking for a home, stop on by the open house. I will be here until 2 o'clock today. This home has so many really nice features. Beautiful kitchen, updated cabinets, countertops, and then there is a bay window, breakfast nook area. So give me a call. I'd love to talk to you about what you're looking for in your Sun City West home. 602-422-5444. Again, this is Peggy with HomeSmart.